Hi, welcome to Pinoy Mandala. Today we're doing an exciting project that kids and kids at heart will love. Freehand Mandala scraping style in oil pastel. Keep watching to learn more. And these are the materials that we need. First thing that you need to do is to put tape in all sides of your paper. This will serve as guide for your drawing area. Then, using your favorite color, you just fill the drawing area with the oil pastel. You will see that for this work, I used the colors of the rainbow. Make sure that you will fill the empty spaces with the oil pastel. And the next thing you need to do is to overlay black in the drawing area. Make sure that it doesn't blend with the colors. What you want to happen is that it will be like an overcoat of your drawing area. When you're done filling the area with black, you're now ready to do your mandala by scraping the patterns in your work. And that's it. Make sure you interchange thick and thin lines. Scrape some shapes so you will have an exciting interplay of patterns and colors. There you go. Here is our output for this project. Freehand Mandala scripting style in oil pastel. I hope you like it as much as I do. Please subscribe to my channel Pinoy Mandala and watch out for our next project. Salamat!